Martin Knutson was born in 1930 in Minneapolis, Minnesota. He graduated from St. Louis Park High School and attended the University of Minnesota, working on a degree in electrical engineering while serving in the Navy. During his service in the Pacific Fleet in the summer of 1949, he took his first airplane ride in the ball turret of a Grumman TBM Avenger. After that, he decided it would be better to be in the cockpit where the controls were. In 1950, he transferred into the Air Force for flight training. He trained in the T-28 and the F-80A. Upon his graduation, Knutson was assigned to a jet fighter squadron. He deployed to Korea, where he flew combat missions in the F-80 and F-86. Following the Korean War, Martin was assigned to the Strategic Air Command as a fighter pilot stationed at Turner Air Force Base in Georgia. He flew the Republic F-84, training for long-range nuclear strike missions. In 1955, he volunteered to flight test the U-2 for the CIA. This was the first ever aircraft designed for sustained high-level flight. He then deployed to Europe and flew missions over the Soviet Union. He continued to fly covert missions over denied territory throughout the world until his retirement from the Air Force in 1970. Following his retirement, Knutson joined the NASA Ames Research Center in California as manager of Earth Resources projects. There, he helped develop airborne remote sensing equipment for observation satellites. He helped modify U-2s for Earth sensing missions regarding sea and land ice, wildlife habitat, ozone depletion, air pollution, typhoon dynamic structure, and other environmental projects. Knutson moved on to become NASA site manager at the Dryden Test Flight Facility. At Dryden, he participated in many unique test programs and was responsible for NASA obtaining 3 SR-71 aircraft for environmental missions after the Air Force had retired them. At the age of 67, he flew an SR-71 to a speed of Mach 3.275. After serving a combined 47 years with the Air Force, CIA, and NASA, Martin retired in 1997. He amassed over 4,000 flight hours in the U-2 during his 29 years flying it. Tonight, we recognize Martin Knutson's amazing accomplishments and honor his service to our country by inducting him into the Minnesota Aviation Hall of Fame.